What do you think? This is neat, man. I love this thing. It looks really good, especially when you're going camping with this. With any review, if I like it, I like it. If I don't, I don't. I will tell you, I promise. But as far as this goes, man, this is fantastic. And the setup, I was so impressed with the setup, because sometimes when they send me like pizza ovens and, you know, and big boxes, I think I've got to get my tools out, I've got to get my drill out, my screwdrivers, and I'm not a DIY man. I'm not a DIY man. But this, literally, Allen key, that's it, one Allen key, just to tie a few little things. But mainly, slow down, Steve. It's a foldy thing. You know, you fold your legs out and that's it. And you're done, boom. It's like, and also it's like carrying a suitcase. So it's fantastic if you're going camping, and literally 3 to 4 minutes, whip that out, boom, done. You've got a camping, cooking station right here. You're prep, then you've got your grill there. Really, really good. I'm a little frustrated because all my grills are big, they're not small, so they won't fit on here. But I swapped the induction out for this nice little portable grill, little tiny panini grill thing, which will do the job. But yeah, and it's solid. It really is. It's not cheap. It's not wobbly, because I was like thinking when I first set this up with the legs and stuff, I was thinking it was going to be wobbly. But I'm putting some thoughts on that, and it's not. You can really go to town with it, and you know, there's not much shaking there whatsoever. It's sturdy. It's really, really good. And sort of this is how I would have it if I were going to cook outside. I've got my thermometer there, I've got all my utensils there, I've got my chopping board, got a little chopping board for fruit and stuff like that. You've got your cooking oils, you've got your salt, got your pepper down here, you've got all the olive oil, pizza cutter, another chopping board, got your fruit, you can put your ingredients in there, got some bowls. Yeah, you're pretty set for this. And also I like the trash can holder. That just slots in there really nice, and it's sturdy, it really is. But I just love the fact it's like a tiny little suitcase, and if you've seen Doctor Who with the TARDIS, it goes deeper and it goes deeper, and it's big and big and big, and this is what this reminds me of. And I love how this just flops down. It just, oh, it's amazing. It really is good. I like it. But the thing I was worried about from the start, I thought it was going to be wobbly, I thought it was going to be, you know, because some of these things don't last long at all, but I am very impressed of how sturdy this is. And the thing I was tiny concerned about was the height. I'm 5'11", so it's a nice height for me. If you was a little taller, you might have got a bit of a problem, but it's a nice height. So if you're, you know, 6 footish, my height, they'll do fine. And forget about the height thing. Because what I found out, it's got adjustable stands, so you can have it higher. So forget what I said about the height thing, but that's pretty neat. And with all my reviews, let's take a deeper dive into this grilling table. Meet the all-in-one workstation for indoor and outdoor cooking. And the best part about this table, especially for me, no tools required. This portable grill table works instantly. Perfect for your outdoor adventures, barbecues, camping, patios and parties. Stable and labour saving, ready to cook. It's foldable and portable. Fold an outdoor grill table to transform into a compact carry case. Effortlessly transport and store. Easy to carry around, take it anywhere to indoors and outdoors. The grill side table gives you ample room for food prep and serving. Fits all major grills like Blackstone Griddles, Ninja grills, Uni ovens, tabletop grills, propane camping stoves and more. It has a smart storage grill stand, features collapsible fabric shelves to keep grilling tools, seasonings and essentials within easy reach. Create a spacious and solid space to barbecue and prep food anywhere. It has a multifunctional grill table. This heavy-duty grill table features a carbon steel top, 5 versatile hooks, a trash bag holder, a tissue dispenser, bottle openers, and a heavy-duty rack that provides stable fuel supply for all types of fuel, including propane tanks. An all-in-one workstation for indoor and outdoor cooking. Keep ingredients, tools, and essentials within easy reach while you grill. Also, this is great for pizza ovens, and I thought I'd just try it, but I thought I'd just put my pizza oven on here, but this is a big pizza oven. It really, really is, and it just fits it. It really just fits it, but I wouldn't recommend putting any big pizza ovens like this, because it might just topple over and fall over, to be honest. But a nice smaller pizza oven, fantastic. All right, final thoughts. I'm impressed with it. I really am. I was worried when it first came because I've had things like this before and it's wobbly. It's like a tin can. It's not well made, but this is sturdy. It's not wobbly at all. And that's what you want, especially when you're chopping away. You want it sturdy. You want it rock solid. And this is rock solid. It's nice and heavy to a point where, you know, you can put your stuff down and it's not going to fall apart. That's what I'm impressed about. The sturdiness, it's not wobbly at all. And also I'm going to get excited by taking this when I'm going camping because I know it's a well-made product and it's going to do the job. And that's what you want. It's a tool. It's going to do the job. And it's great. Just put it in your trunk and go away. And you know when you set this up, it's going to be solid. And that's what I'm excited about. It's like a suitcase. You just put it down, fold it out, and it just pops up like a magic. It really is. And it's so easy for me because like I said, I'm not a DIY guy. It's so simple to set up and you don't have to worry about it. You know, putting this there, putting this there, putting this there, you know, boom, 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 and get cooking. And that's what I want and that's what I like. So yeah, I'm excited to use this. It's a solid piece of equipment. Like I said, I won't put a massive big pizza oven on there, nice and small. But yeah, I am impressed. I'm surprised, I really am. And very proud to actually say that this, it's a great product. Links below if you want one. Because I tell you, it's a great price, great product. I'm definitely gonna be using this. All right, thanks guys.